Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 15th March 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today. And I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully and it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, where will the 4th Asian Kho-Kho Championship be held? So correct answer is A, Assam. Chief Minister of Assam is Himanta Biswa Sarma and the capital is Dispur. And the Governor of Assam is Gulabchand Kataria. The first Bodoland International Knowledge Festival has taken place in Assam. Gulabchand Kataria has been sworn in as the new Governor of Assam. Gyanendra Pratap Singh has been appointed as the new DGP of Assam. The government of Assam has acquired the Matia Bagh Hawa Mahal. The Assam cabinet has passed a bill to create a commission for Safai Karmacharis. The first Unani Medicine Regional Center of Northeast was inaugurated in Silchar. Second question is, which medal has India's trap shooter Prithviraj Tondaiman won in the ISSF World Cup? So correct answer is C, bronze medal. This World Cup has taken place in Doha, Qatar. Third question is, scientists of which IIT have discovered the new antibacterial molecule IITR 00693? So correct answer is A, IIT Roorkee. Reliance Life Sciences has licensed gene therapy technology from IIT Kanpur. Union Minister Anurag Thakur has launched the Youth Festival at IIT Ropar. IIT Madras has partnered with Denmark on next generation fuels. IIT Madras will develop spaceflight training module for ISRO. IIT Madras has won the National Intellectual Property Award. Fourth question is, where is Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the world's longest railway platform? So correct answer is C, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru and the Chief Minister is Baswaraj Bommai. And the Governor of Karnataka is Thawarchand Gehlot. Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated Shivamoga Airport in Karnataka. The Chief Minister of Karnataka has launched 108 Namma clinics. Asia's largest helicopter factory opened in Karnataka. Karnataka has won the Santosh Trophy after 54 years. The government of Karnataka announced the Amrit Nagar Utthan scheme. Fifth question is, which country's Mount Merapi volcano has erupted? So correct answer is B, Indonesia. Sixth question is, where is the meeting of SCO Supreme Court Chief Justice held? So correct answer is B, New Delhi. Seventh question is, where is the first meeting of the Supreme Audit Institution 20 Sai 20 begun? So correct answer is A, Guwahati. Eighth question is, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari said that has unveiled buses running on methanol. So correct answer is C, Bengaluru. Ninth question is, who has become the bowler to take 50 wickets in the fewest balls for India? So correct answer is B, Akshar Patel. Shabnim Ismail became the highest wicket taker in the Women's T20 World Cup. Australia has won the Women's T20 World Cup title for the 6th time. Ben Stokes has become the best man who has hit the most sixes in the Test cricket. Saurashtra has won the 2023 Ranji Trophy title. 10th question is, who has been appointed by Tech Mahindra as MD and CEO? So correct answer is A, Mohit Joshi. Geeta Rana has become the first women officer to command the EME. B. Gopkumar has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Axis Mutual Fund. Pramerica Life Insurance has appointed Pankaj Gupta as MD and CEO. SS Dubey has taken charge as the new Controller General of Accounts. Rashmi Shukla has been appointed as Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal. 11th question is where will Asia's largest tulip garden open? So correct answer is D, Jammu Kashmir. The tallest iconic national flag was hoisted at Doda in Jammu and Kashmir. Asia's longest ever cycle race has started in Srinagar. The Ministry of Tourism has organized the first snow marathon in Jammu. Jammu and Kashmir has received the award for Best Adventure Tourism Destination. Lithium deposits have been found for the first time in India in Jammu and Kashmir. The Har Gaon Haryali initiative of Jammu and Kashmir has created a record of planting 90 lakh saplings. 12th question is the novel Pagal Khana written by whom has been selected for Vyas Samman 2022. So correct answer is B, Dr. Gyan Chaturvedi. 13th question is where is Ashok Leland launched all women production line? So correct answer is D, Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai and the chief minister is M.K. Stalin. And the governor of Tamil Nadu is R.N. Ravi. India's first hybrid rocket has been launched at Chengalpattu in Tamil Nadu. The chief minister of Tamil Nadu has launched the second phase of Pudhumai Pen scheme. Tamil Nadu has emerged as the worst performing state in RTI accountability. The government of Tamil Nadu has launched a project for the conservation of Nilgiri Tehar. 14th question is who has released the book titled India's Struggle for Freedom, Gandhian Era? So correct answer is A, V. Ram Subramaniam. The book Mundak Upanishad, The Gateway to Eternity, written by Dr. Karn Singh, has been released. K.M. Chandrasekhar has written a book titled As Good as My Word, a memoir. J.P. Nadda launched the book titled Modi Shaping a Global Order in Flux. 15th question is where will the Ministry of Ayush organize the Yoga Mahotsav 2023? So correct answer is C, New Delhi. 16th question is who has topped the list of highest number of women billionaires in City Index 2023. So correct answer is C, America. The capital of America is Washington DC and the president is Joe Biden and the currency of US is dollar. ISRO has received the NISAR satellite jointly developed by India and the US. Indo-American woman Tejal Mehta has been nominated as the first judge of a US district court. Arun Subramaniam has been appointed as the Indian-American judge in the New York court. 17th question is Indian Air Force has signed a contract with HAL to buy how many Dornier 288 aircraft? So correct answer is D, 6. HAL is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and it was founded in 1940 and is headquartered in Bangalore. And its present chairman is R. Madhavan. 18th question is which country has chaired the 19th BIMSTEC ministerial meeting? So correct answer is B, Thailand. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok and the currency is Thai baht. 19th question is who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Hindustan Unilever Limited? So correct answer is C, Rohit Zawa. 20th question is who will get the country's first electric pilgrimage corridor? So correct answer is A, Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and the chief minister is Pushkar Singh Dhami and the governor of Uttarakhand is Gurmeet Singh. The chief minister of Uttarakhand has announced the launch of self-employment scheme for single women. Uttarakhand will set up India's first government mother milk bank. India-Uzbekistan training exercise Daslik has started in Uttarakhand. Trial has been done to deliver tuberculosis medicine through drone in AIIMS Rishikesh. Anti-copying law come into force in Uttarakhand. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें। थैंक यू।